Wing at sa kanyang nasa sebelah di belakang mo belakang saya. Thank you. Kay Oliver, survive po ako ng 1989. 13 years old lang po. Alisis ko po ay agent here. Maraming salamat.
Yes, thank you, Tol. Yan. Susunod natin ay si Tol Alan. Alan.
Ako nga pala si Alan Angelo Presente. Survive ako nung December 23, 2014. Ano nga pala chapter is Benito Binalupian Banang Community Chapter. Alias Y, Jello.
Next, si Brad Pitt. Pasok.
Hello everyone. Mga pala si Brad Pitt. Pitt Susi, survive ng Araya University. August 7, 2007.
Thank you. Next, si Brad Jason Kuray.
Pinagri. Ako si Jason Kuray.
Mauna ka na mabibigyan, Tol.
Alright, next natin ang ating isa sa mga guwapo. Hindi ka sa yung Red Coit na gano'n. Survive ng... Hoy! 1994. Thank you, Tol. Next, Tol Jason.
Magandang gabi mga kapatid. Ako pala si Brad Jason Yabo. Survive ako 2004, Malipaka Community Chapter sa may Nabolicha sector. And then, welcome ako ulit October 2022.
Hey! Next! Ito ang ating bago. Ayan.
Magbago ka di ba may intervention number?
Oh,
Ako po si Lloyd Unila, survive ako ng University of Cebu, 1985. Alexis Leo Siano.
okay. Yung sunod ay si Brad Royce.
Ay, magandang gabi sa lahat. Ako nga pala si Brad Royce Toledo. Survive ako ng 2016 Denver Stonewall. Alexis ko po ay Wang.
Okay, go!
Good evening, ako pala si Joe Vincent. Survive ako sa DCYT Pagadian CC Chapter. Alexis Leo ko po.
Okay, go! Next! Then, next, my Chris. Good. Hello, good.
Ako ba siya? Mr. Saez? Nagsimula sa Mapua. Lumipat ng CCP.
Doon na ang nabuhay. Sa wala.
Kami yung
Okay,
thank you.
Thank you, next. Okay, meron tayong isa ding bago at talented. Si Tol Mark. Yes.
Ako po si Mark Julius. Sa Laguna State Polytechnic University this batch. 2006, Alexis name.
Next, Tol Chan.
Maraming salamat sa pagdating ninyo. Merry Christmas sa akin. Agenda sa this week.
masagot naman kung survive ko. Kami yung ano dito, isa sa mga... Isa ako sa mga nagpapang dito sa Red Dead.
At isa sa mga napakagandang sama.
Maraming salamat ko na nagbigay ng
Napaka-supportive na sa yes, thank you. At ang sunod ay sinatawagan natin si Sis Annabelle. Yes.
Good evening, ako pala si Sister Annabella Reyes. Board ako sa Calabanas Book Chapter na January 10, 2020.
Yes, at ang kanyang napaka-puging mister. Kung pinapasikatan tayo ng kanyang hoodie. May giant. Sampol.
Ako po pala si James Peter Andreas, born ng Yokohama Tresquillon, born March 9, March 9, 2013, batch 380.
Yes, and of course, tinatawagan natin ang ating former Gogchen, former Jinsek, all the way from Kitling. Yes, ito na siya.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Ako po si Kenji Maniano. Survive ako ng CLSU year... Millennial tayo 2000. Tapos ang Alexis ko, kasi sa amin, pag pumasok ka, meron kang nickname, so tinatawag na Alexis yun. So, dati, kapag yung Alexis mo, yun din yung paano mo. For example, kasi may kabatch ako 5, letter A yung batch name namin, so yun nga. Pag hinayo mong Asyo, ang palaya, yun mapalo na sa'yo. Pero sa'yo kasi yung Alexis ko ay AJ. So,
Alright, tayo po ay pumunta dito sa gitna mga kapatid at tayo magkakaroon ng group picture. Oh, syempre, nakakalimutan natin ang ating incoming chairman. Yes, I'm sorry. I'll get easy.
Okay, good evening ulit, Brad Michael Talasig, bagong barrio of Tirona Community Chapter. Welcome ako sa Regina Council noong 2015 August. Tapos naging council chairman ako noong 2019. Tapos incoming noong 2026 council chairman ulit. Okay, ito na. Yun na. Magkakasita sa ating program. Okay na gabi ulit.
Okay, dito tayo sa gitna mga kapatid at makapag-picture man lang at souvenir sa ating pang-my day. See, nakikita natin lahat. Age doesn't matter. Someone who survived 80s, someone who survived just recently. Tresquillon is always a Tresquillon. Video ka na yun. Thank you mga kapatid. Tayo po ay magsiupo at okay. Ngayon, tinatawagan ko ang ating incoming chairman para tawagin ang kanyang mga subordinates. Incoming officers for the year 2026, and they are elected and appointed. So please pag natawag ang pangalan niyo, just come in front. And we will do our oath taking para sa mga officers this coming 2026. Brad Michael. Okay. Matay lang natin ang aking co-host at siya ay hihingi na lang. Again, nagpapasalamat kami dahil kay Frank Kiplin, sabi ko na eh. Ang dami. Salamat, double-double. Kenji and family, kaya maraming salamat sa inyong pagpunta at sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa kapatiran. Although nagkakaedad na tayo, nagiging mature na, but once a triskelion is always a triskelion nga, yan ang sinasabi natin. Mayroon tayong pinanumpaan. Bukod dyan, gusto ko lang pong i-welcome all the way from Yorkton. Yes, Jonathan Sweet. Yeah, come over here. Merry Christmas. Introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. So my name is Jonathan Arad, brother August, batch calendar way back 2011 in Nalagay Catholic College. Every year. Good evening, everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you to all. Merry Christmas and hello. What's your name again?
So, my partner Anna. Hi. So, thank you.
Palaban ako sa English nito. Nalalaman sa naman yung akin. I'm really sorry. I'm just worried. Okay. Ngayon, gusto ko lang magpasalamat din sa lahat ng mga kapatid sa buong suporta para may sagawa natin at may katuparan natin ang ating mga duties and responsibilities as Triskelion. For this year, I'm just going to mention some community initiatives and activities that we did. Like what we did this year is we donated blood through Canada Blood, and then we do also some community cleanup. We donated food from, or we donate some foods in food banks, and then some used foods in Salvation Army. At mayroon pang iba, which is whatever we can do that nakakatulong tayo sa ating mga kapatid or sa kahit paano kunting parang. And then one more is maraming salamat dahil sa successful again ang ating major project, which is Rakrakan. And again, I am calling your attention and support for the Rakrakan 2026. Yeah. So the Rakrakan is it's not it is band showdown of the talented band group here in Regina, and then the Rakrakan is one of our income generating projects. Kaya nagagawa natin yung mga ganitong gatherings dahil isa sa Rakrakan at syempre sa suporta ng lahat ng mga projects. At sa suporta rin syempre ng mga may bahay dahil slideshow sana ako eh, kaya lang, hindi, yun nga, nagpapasalamat tayo. Yun lang. Tayo ay pupunta sa susunod nating program para sa outtaking ng incoming officers of 2026. Kaya tonight, Vera, Aso.
Hello, good evening again. Our new officers 2026. Siyempre, mauna. Council Chairman ay Michael Tanosi, 2026. My Vice Internal Brad Dexter, pero wala siya ngayon dahil may work. Next, Brad James, External. Hoy, napakain na kita ito pa. Please come forward. Sampul. Next, our Council Secretary 2026, Brad Jarrett. Our next Council Treasurer 2026, Brad Lester. Next, our Council Auditor, Brad Andy. Ang lamig niya ka ba, Tol? Parang di mo alam. Ay, sa laki ng fund natin, ay baka kayo audit. Okay, next, our Council Advisors, we call Brad Ariel and Brad Kenji. And last, Brad, for our DOM. What's the meaning of DOM? Tol, what's the meaning of DOM? Huh? Director of Membership. Okay.
Every brother and sis that are new and want or like will come here in our council and wants to be active member of the council. I am the one who will verify their legitimacy through process of Canada National Council. Yeah, there is only two ways of verification. Napakasimple lang. First is certificate of legitimacy from your council or from your respective root chapter. And then the second one is the vouching process. Yeah, that's it. Now I am calling the GovGen to lead this outtaking ceremony. Yes, brothers, please raise our right hand, and then we will just repeat what Brad PJ and our advisor said.
Taas ang kamay. I, Brad, state your name. Do solemnly swear by Almighty God and my fellow brothers and sisters to uphold and adhere, to support and implement the Tau Gamma Phi tenets and codes of conduct and the Presbyterian Regina Saskatchewan Council Constitution and bylaws. your objectives and beliefs, always without fear, mental reservation, and ill will. I also swear that I shall perform the duties and responsibilities given and vested to me by the Transilian Regina to the best of my ability and of my ability. Duties and responsibilities given and vested to me by the Transilian Regina to the best of my ability, and to seek guidance and advice on difficulty and challenging fraternal issues. In all my dealings in and out of the Transilian Regina, I swear to be fair, honest and non-judgmental, and maintain the highest standard of behavior to sustain the council goal of unity of all Transilian whenever they may be. So help me God. Behavior to sustain the council goal of unity of all Transilian wherever they may be. So help me God.
Nagpaka naman dyan at ito po ang ating mga new elected and appointed officers for this coming 2026. Kami po ay humihingi ng support sa unang-una sa mga may bahay, especially when we will do our community initiative. Napayagan niyo minsan, paminsan-minsan. Actually, ang mga brad dito is believe ako. We are here in Regina na takot sa alak yung mga brad. Yeah. Punta kayo sa mga chapter natin or sa ibang councils. Yung iba, talagang alak lang yung hinahanap. Kaya tayo dito, wala may umiinom. Meron, always drink moderate. Biro mo, last anniversary, inabot pa ng ilang buwan yung
tapos nilagyan ng tubig.
Meron pa nga sa bahay yung puto muna sa ating mga mga plastic.
Mga among mukha.
Once again, gusto ko rin sanang humingi ng suporta sa mga members at sa mga active members ng ating kapatiran. Suportahan natin please ang ating incoming officers, especially ang ating chairman, dahil I feel talaga na kailangan or talagang bigat ng responsibility ng isang chairman o isang leader. You need to have a leadership, you need to have patience, at syempre kailangan napaka-understanding in any ways para maisulong ang mga plano ng konsero. Ngayon po ay magpapatuloy na natin tayo sa ating mga programa. Anyway, kung sino ang gusto uminom, tingnan mo kanina pa ako nagyayaya. Kung sino ang gusto uminom, umorder po tayo ng alak sa bar. Nakita mo, alam na may tumatayo. Talaga kaya magsino. Mamabait. Diba?
Lang driver.
Nasa akin pa yung pera.
Oh, sige. Lord, kita mo? Kung sino, hindi yan. Honestly, if you want to have some, at least beer, you can order more. Charge it to me. Don't worry. We do have a new auditor called Whenever you do the auditing, just come to me. Okay, para ipagpatuloy natin ang ating programa, at hindi naman kayo antukin, tayo ay magpapagames. Mga kids, ready na ba kayo? Oh, sorry. Kids, are you ready for games? Yeah? Yeah? Papalaban tayo dito sa mga magpapagames. Papalaban kayo sa English dito. Wow, yes, we are really ready. Yeah. All right. Our first game for tonight is
Baseball, all the kids in front. If you want a prize, you have to join.
yeah. All the kids, please come in front. Yes. Hello. Yeah, wait to see. No.
Hindi, nakita ko na
Especially, siyempre, papasalamat tayo palagi sa ating mga loving partners.
Okay, fall in line please.
Yeah.
According to your height. Okay, find your height.
Ay, no, meron pa
Find
pala.
your height, okay?
Kukunin pala yung lamesa. Are you ready? Hey kids, hey guys, are you excited and ready to win the prize?
Fall in line, find your height. Here.
Yes.
Fall in line. Here, Asher. Okay.
Hey, Usher, yeah, Usher. All right.
Find your
Hey,
height.
baby, what's your name? Anma, and what's your name, darling? What's your name? Kara. Oh, I'm sorry, all the way from Giblin. What's your name, dude?
Sean.
Shan. Shan. What's your name? Hershey. Where's Hershey? What's your name? What's that? Alright. Magpapagames kita, so I don't know how to speak English. Naubusan na ako ng bala. I'll give this to incoming Cherna. Mapapalaban tayo dito ng English ang bahala kayo dyan.
Okay. Let's go. Five. Okay. So now you have to count 1 and 2, okay? So 1, 2, 1. Okay. So those numbers with 1 will be here. 1 here and 2 on the other side. Who's
Wala ba?